Okay, Joe's Golden Garage here. Got a 2000 BMW 540i. New car trade-in at the Kia store. The odometer is inoperable. It's a little dirty, but it's a straight old 540. This one's gonna sell cheap because all the warning lights are, well, not all of them, but it does have a check engine light. The odometer's not readable. There's some warning messages flashing along the bottom that you can't really read, but it sounds really good. It's got M Sport wheels, 540i. Let's take it for a little drive. It sounds good. I wanted to make sure it started before I did the video. Now, it is a smoker's car, and it's dirty. Look at that. Still got the BMW time port. Dirty, dirty. As you can see right here, the message center, you can't really read what's going on. Yeah. I know that says fasten seatbelts probably. Yeah, I got a few warnings. Let's make sure these power windows work. The air conditioner actually works in this car. And the radio. You know, this car could clean up well. It's a smoker's car and there's coffee stains everywhere. But the seats and the headliner and everything are really pretty clean in this car. That mirror's shattered. It is almost out of gas. Hopefully we can make it for a test drive. You know, this thing runs really well. And man, a 540, man, I bet this thing's a beast. I don't know much about a 2000 540. I imagine it was pretty powerful, but I don't know what the numbers are on it. I've never been a BMW guy. But one of my most watched YouTube videos is the video I did of 2006 BMW X5. So people, sorry, had a phone call interrupt our video. Yeah, the BMW X5 I have on my channel is one of my most watched videos, so hey, might as well add a video a BMW to the video content. Man, this thing feels like it could haul butt. It is so, the steering is so firm, it feels good. I realize the odometer and check engine light and all that stuff's on, but this thing runs great. Holy cow, I just burned the... Ooh, man. Ooh, that was only 3/4 throttle. Whoa. Gonna need a set of rotors. Hang on. Golly. Sorry, so shaky. I wasn't expecting this thing to burn freaking rubber. God. Drop my water in the floor. Dang. This thing. Let's shove that down there. Let's do that one more time. Holy crap. I only gave it 3/4 throttle. Alright, to the floor. Holy golly. Ooh, man, that's fast. Okay, so just cause the odometer don't work and we don't know how many miles it has on it doesn't mean it ain't got a lot of life left in it. Man, what a powerful engine. Holy cow. Unbelievable how much power this thing has. Let's see if I can look under the hood. Oh shit, I can't even get out. I don't smell burning oil like I did in that 2011 Mercedes. I mean, this thing runs silent. Okay, hang on just a second. Sorry about that. Boy, that is a big V8. Holy smokes, that thing's a whopper. Well, this thing may be old and the miles may be unknown, but the heart of this beast is still very healthy. Holy wow, this thing's got power. Man, I may have to bid on this too, just because I know it's going to sell cheap, because they don't clean it up. When it's got a broken odometer and it comes in dirty and it's 19 years old, nobody's gonna bid on this thing. But the transmission shifts flawless. It's got decent tires on it. They're a little mismatched. I mean, we got some Falcons on the back. What do we got on the front? Raptor, haven't even heard of those. Raptors on the front. Oh, it's a Rican. I've heard of that brand, Rican tires. But yeah, just a lot of coffee stains and just some garbage. Clean this thing up, clean up these cigarettes. Ashes. I mean, whatever the service engine light's for is baloney, because this thing is so quick. All right. I gotta do that one more time. That was fun. I just don't want to get in trouble. Ooh. I had to let off. I had to let off. See, the speed limit down through here is only 40, so, and they're real particular about you misbehaving. They'll throw you out of here. So, since I'm a dealer, I don't want to press my luck, but golly, this thing's got power. Doesn't run hot, runs good and cool. Oh man, this thing would be so much fun on the interstate or twisty roads, or God, it just drives so well. I am just tickled to death with this one. Well, anyway, I'll let y'all go on this 2005 40i, and stay tuned for tomorrow to see if we win it. Peace.